everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am showing you how I created this Easter spring makeup look. I wanted a Easter inspired makeup look, so I figured these yellows and oranges and purples and blues would be really spring-like and also Easter. I did realize that I need some lime, like a matte lime green color in my collection. So I'm gonna have to keep a lookout for that when I'm purchasing eyeshadow palettes in the future. Don't forget about that giveaway I have going on. I posted that video the end of last month in March, and you have all the way up till the end of this month of April. The announcement for that giveaway is going to be on the 27th of April this month, so you have plenty of time to enter that. That is a group collaboration with some of my closest friends here on YouTube, DD5 and also Debra. I will have that video link right here in the corner in my description box and at an end card at the end of this video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this makeup look. The first thing I'm starting off with is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with that. And then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Zodiac Kathleen Lights collaboration eyeshadow palette. And the first color I'm going to go in with is the Aquarius color, that matte blue color. And I'm going to put this with a big fluffy brush just as a transition shade to start off with. Then I'm going in with this matte purple color, which is the Sagittarius. And I'm going to put that like right below where I started with the blue. It's going to be more direct into the crease. And then I'm going to go in with this shimmer orange color, the Aries. Before I go in with it, I'm going to kind of spritz it with my Morphe setting spray to intensify it some more. Then right under the purple shade, I'm going to put this right on the lid. Then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to carve out the center part for like almost like a halo look, but yeah, just right in the center before going in with the ColourPop Yes Please palette and using that matte yellow shade in it, and I'm putting that right on top of the concealer. The concealer just really makes it pop out even more and intensify even more. Then I'm pretty much going in with my waterline with the matte blue color. Then I'm going in with the purple on the pretty much the whole bottom part. But you saw I used the matte blue in the waterline. I'm pretty much doing the same steps as I did on the top to the bottom. I did do my lashes and my mascara off camera. And with my Smashbox primerizer, and I'm going to prime my face with that. After that, I'm going to use my Smashbox foundation. And after that, I'm going to conceal with my Makeup Revolution concealer. After that, I'm going in with this Virginic face powder. Then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Soph X highlighter palette, and I'm using that very beautiful purple highlight shade for my highlight. Then I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to bronze my face with it. Then I'm going in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil to fill in my brows. After that, I'm going in with my Bare Minerals lip gloss in the color Groovy. And to set my whole face, I'm using the Morphe setting spray. And that's pretty much it, guys. Easy peasy. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I created this Easter / spring makeup inspired look. Like I said before, don't forget about that giveaway, my April giveaway. It is a huge giveaway. There will be 3 winners picked out. I will pick one, DD5 will pick one, and Debra will pick one. We all have our own rules and on our own videos for you to enter all 3. The only rule that we have that we agreed on was that everybody had to enter, you had to be subscribed to all 3 of us. But yeah, just check out the video link down below so you can enter my giveaway, and in that video I will have links to their videos for their giveaways. If you have any recommendations or spring inspired makeup looks, you can always message me on Instagram. I do get a lot of inspiration from a lot of you guys for makeup looks that I have here on my channel. This one wasn't a requested type of video. I just figured I would do a lot of Easter looks with the products that I do have in my collection. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Easter look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!